समुद्र वसने देवी समुद्र वसने देवी पर्वतः स्तनमण्डले
I feel my life become quite useful. Useful. I carry the message of ancient Indian thought.
Tiri Chino Konskam Gwen Chimbuchogi, Gesa Delir, Garagi, Shulu Mawa, Kushab, Sarvapali, Radhakrishnan Chogi, Tendengi, Sungshe Lerim, Tengi Sershibeto, Jigden Quinkabgi, Sanjo Kor, Manso, Tonsu Gawala, Kalukze Yavarje. Konskam Gwen Chimbuchogi, Kanyi, Tenga, Chilu Chigdon Gubyang of Jungatu Lord, Dembakutune, Longni Don, Ngabga Kobe, Tuche, Sungzi Chedu, Garadu Shabso Kobe Cup, Kushab Radhakrishnan Choda, Jete, Chungyoba, Tuk Tensu Zebatanta, Garagi, Turab Sabe, Chingobo Yargeda Nyamdu, Nansim Gishide Junguchedu, Garagi, Navu Rikshun, Larsu Yontab Tola, Bezun Chagoeche, Larian Garawatola, Tinguize Yobaje.
I feel, I always was telling Indian, now India should have the sort of study more about ancient Indian knowledge. Now modern Indian, some extent, I think modern Indian, too much sort of too much sort of follow materialistic life with materialistic education. So modern India should pay more attention about ancient Indian knowledge, how to tackle our emotion. So over 3,000-year-old India's tradition, ahimsa, karuna, these related with our mind, our emotion. So India have the opportunity and ability to combine modern education and ancient Indian knowledge, how to tackle our emotion.
Danashi Mitse Tunda Dembashi Yongwa Chaber, Zo Sem Sangbu Cheguta, Shimpingi Lo Zingute, Hajangi Ke Chembure Jesogi, Kalo Zeveje, Soja Vetiwar Kalen Zeson.
Simply as a physical comfort, not sufficient. This sophisticated human brain. So for that, you see, knowledge, as I already mentioned, you say how to bring inner peace, and when destructive emotion come, how to tackle.
Taregi Zeti Teshi Garagi Yartun Lomye Kanta, Garagi Jitine Kani, Sundeg Tone, Kuti Sundep Shubishik in Baje. Tiringi Zetin Kapsu, Garagi Jitine Kanki, Tsota, Jammu Kashmir, Ngade Sikyon, Nanyong Ken, Kushap NN Waralata, Garagi Jitine Kanki, Tsoshin So, Minakachi Gan Henshu Nandu.
Dalai Lama ji spoke at length about values which make our life peaceful, which make our society peaceful, and which have the possibility of making the world a beautiful and a peaceful place. The audience loved it, they were very happy, there were many questions and answers, and one lesson that we learned today was that whatever you consider as good, you must practice it. Practice is important.
I feel more privileged to be part of His Holiness's speech today, and he touched upon very important topics which we need in the current world, talking about our inner values, ahimsa and karuna. And I think somewhere we've forgotten the pursuit to these noble thoughts, and in our quest for the material world and Western education, we've forgotten our own ancient Indian tradition. And coming from a yoga background, I know how much ahimsa and karuna are very much part of the sadhana and the practice, and it's not just the physical part of being healthy or of pursuing your material goals, but it's also about transforming your inner self and finding that one true reality. And I think if we keep on this path, a lot of our world problems would be solved.
He has awakened the Indians to the ancient values and beliefs that we seem to have lost somewhere, and the importance of ahimsa, karuna, and bringing about a balance between modern education and ancient education, leading to respect for values. Thank you very much.